Hello friends, welcome to our channel Textless India. Today we are going to show you how to install CodeBlock on your Windows 10 operating system. The similar step can be followed on any version of Windows you have. You just need to follow the steps given by us and you can install CodeBlocks on any version of Windows you have. So now let's start. So open any browser whichever is your favorite. I will open the Chrome and just type here code block. First you need to connect here, so I will connect email. And after that just type code block and press enter. And as you press enter you will get this screen where you can see code block. This is the genuine website, just click on and that. After that you will get this kind of screen where you can find a download tab. You have to just click on that. After that you will get three options. First option is to download the binary, download the source code or retrieve source code from SVN. You need to download the binary image because we are not downloading the source code, we are downloading the application itself. So download this, click on this download the binary image. You will go to next screen. You can find all the details here. You can see here whichever, and it is supporting for Windows 7, 8, X10, and here you will find for Linux. If you are installing for Linux you have to just scroll down and select on this, or otherwise you Mac OS you can go down and you will find another option for that. So we now I am going to show for Windows 10. So I am not going to show for Linux. So just go and you will find many options. You will get confused, but you don't need to get confused. You this these are the various options where you will find. This is the non-admin option where you have to on lot of things. This is not a complete setup. This don't come with compilers. This setup, this first three setups don't come with compiler. This last three come with compiler, but you can see that this is zip file and this is from this is also come with but different from different website. So easiest option is to this is Ming W. You can find it fourth one option that Ming W. Ming W is a compiler which is used to run the program. If you are running C or C++ program, you need compiler to compile. Otherwise, your program will not run. This is incomplete. So if you are don't need any extra thing, you just need to download this. You just go there. It will come with compiler. You don't need to download externally any compiler. So you will get complete package. So just go on this option and just click on that, and your download will get automatically started. For that you have to wait for few seconds, and after that, so guys, please subscribe our channel and please like and share our video if you like. You can see that our download has been started. I have already downloaded, so I am not going to download it again. So I am going to pause and go to my download. Here you can find that I have downloaded a code block 17.12. This is the latest version. When I am making the videos, just double click on that. After double clicking you will get the one screen. You can find there one screen. It is asking for admin rights, so you just need to click on yes. After that you will find the welcome screen for setup. You just need to click on next, and here you will find the license agreement which you have to accept, and I agree. And these are the default install which get installed with your code block. This you can see, this is a compiler min-gw, and just click on next. Just if you can change, if you want to change the destination folder where you want to install, you can change by going to browse, but I am not going to change. I'm directly going to install on default location. So just click on next. So you can see that our download has, it is now installing. It will take few seconds. So guys, please like and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries or questions, please comment in our comment box. We will try to give each and every answer. So guys, this is the complete setup. You don't need any external compiler for this because it's come with the compiler itself. So while downloading, please keep attention that you download the min-w, means it is a compiler. It have compiler plus the tool, the ID where we can write a program. You can see that code blocks has been, want to run is asking, just click on yes. You can see that code block scan has been appeared. Just click on finish. Okay, it's now going to load. Okay guys, you can see that we have successfully installed the code blocks and it has been successfully run. Here you can say the block is currently not the default application. If you want, you can set it default application, but I don't want to keep it as default, so I will on okay. And if you want to see how we have installed the code blocks, I will show you the one program. How can you write the program? You go to file, new, or class project. Just go to project, or you can just directly go to create new project. I will show you. You can say this option appear. If you also click here create new project, this option appear. Just go and find here the console application. Here you will find this console application. Just wherever you will find this console application, just click on go. I don't want every time, so I will skip. I want to write C program, or you can write C, C++, anything. I just click on C. Give the project save here. Name it. And browse any folder. Create it. But I will set it default only. Just click on next. I will not change anything. You can, if you want, change. And it will okay. It is showing we have written the wrong path. So if you need to set the path for that, so again go to file, new, and go to project. Here you will find console application, and these are the various things you will find. This is photon, blue, GDK. Means you can do different kind of programming, but we are focusing on this console application. Go, go. India. Select the folder to create a project. You can select the folder where you want to create the project. I will create one folder. Go anywhere. If you want anywhere, I will go to document and just click. I will write here block programs. Just go to your destination where you want to save this program. Just go and click OK, or you can directly make folder from here. Now it's not get any kind of error. Just click on next or finish. Okay, can see that set text less. Just click on this is the how the hierarchy is happen from sources. Just click on double click on man, you will find the default things in a hello world. Just now you just click on this, you can see that build option. Just click on build, it will build. If you have any error, it will show error. Otherwise it will run. If after building you just need to click on run, or after clicking in run you can find here the message hello world. Okay. This is how we can do programming. If you want, you can do it anytime. It will open the command terminal, command prompt for showing its output. So this is how we have installed the code successfully in your windows 10 operating system. For any other version of system, follow the similar steps as I have shown in this video. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you have any queries, you can post in a comment box.